So the grind don't stop, according to Sicily. ATC on top, according to Sicily.
All right, y'all. What's up, ATC gang? Welcome back to another video. These are probably one of my favorite types of videos to film. Just showing you guys my favorite things. So this month we are going to do our favorite things for the month of May. And I decided to go ahead and switch it up and take you outside to the car, because last year, I'll make sure I'll link it up in the iCards above, but last year I did a birthday vlog or whatever, and my boyfriend got me pink seats for the inside of my car, right? So everything is pink. So this year, you know, we had to add on to it, and I got even more goodies. So let's go ahead and head outside and see everything that I got that, you know, as always, is a what must have. Throw it in your Amazon cart and thank your girl later. But before we go, I just want to say thank you to the host of today's video, Jessica Myros. Her channel will be linked down in my description box along with the playlist, so you can see all of the other ladies' favorites. All right, y'all, let's head down.
All right, guys, so the first thing I wanted to share with you were my coasters. I love them because they are pink and they have like a little bit of glam, and they help me to keep this area nice and clean and tidy. They came in a variety of colors, so I really enjoy the extra pop of pink that they add. And then the next thing we're going to move on to are these little sun visor tissue holders. I ordered 2 of them, and they actually came with packs of tissue. And then in one of them, I put face masks so that if I'm ever in a store, I'm ready to go. The only thing that I didn't like was if you open, you know, the mirror, you would have to slide these down. But that's not, you know, too much of a big deal. So I decided that I needed to get one of these seatbelt covers because the seatbelt was like scratching my chest. And it's just made out of Velcro, and it's been very easy to launder. Right here, I'm just showing you guys my blinged out pink steering wheel, and then of course my 2 different phone holders. I have one so that if I want to use my GPS, then I can go ahead and pop my phone in and have the GPS. But this one is cool because it turns, so it gives you a little bit of versatility if you wanted to like watch a movie or whatever. And then the other phone holder, I have it mounted to the top of the dashboard. So I use the one that's mounted up here at the top of the dashboard to vlog when I'm like on the road. Both of these were very versatile and very affordable. For this one, you just clip it into the AC vent, and then there's a little notch that you're going to tighten to be able to install it. If you don't want to do that, it comes with this suction cup, and what you would do is just loosen it up, put it on your dash, or you could put it on the mirror. And the suction is really good, as you guys can see right here. I still have the plastic on, but it was still trying to go ahead and stick to the window. This phone mount, once you take the backing off, you just press it down and you're good to go. All right, so right here, you guys, I found the cutest little label maker, and it comes in a variety of colors. It has all of these little categories on the side: skincare, mother and son, animal, and under each category, as you can see, it comes with symbols. I mean, the choices were endless. So I used a cute little label maker for this part of my car when I was organizing my middle console. So between the photo boxes and the label maker, I feel like those are 2 things that I really need. Right here, you'll see my purse holder, but this comes as a set with a matching pink trash can. It was big enough to hold, you know, a skinny purse and a thick purse strap. All right, you guys, let's head into the trunk. I'm so proud of it because I got it nice and organized. I did a short on this before, and I'll be sure to link it. You basically put that on your steering wheel so you can eat in the car and not make a mess. And excuse me, guys, I'm in the hospital, so excuse me if the clarity isn't great. So this organizer is from Sam's Club, but I got it online at Amazon. It has plenty of storage. I just keep an extra change of clothes for when I go to the gym or if I get rained on. And then I love that it has all the different pockets and dividers. The big side on all the way to the right is where I keep my cleaning car kit. All the way to the left, I have to clean that out, but it comes with a cooler. And then this right here is essential, I would say, especially for a woman. If you're out on the road and you need a jump, it's just great to have this option so that you can always feel safe and have the things you need. So not only does it jump your battery, but it has ports on the side if you need to charge a laptop or a phone. And it has 44% left, and I've probably used it like 5 or 6 times, so it's really come in handy. All right, you guys, so moving on to the last item I wanted to share with you guys was my car cleaning kit. This thing was super versatile. It comes with a bunch of pieces. It has brushes. Of course, the vacuum I definitely love, and it just plugs into the old cigarette lighter, and it has really been allowing me to keep my car clean and save money so I don't have to go to the gas station. So inside the kit, it also gives you an extra filter so you don't have to worry about your vacuum going out. It comes with 2 different spray bottles and then this reversible cleaning cloth. It also comes with 2 of these containers. This is that, sticky stuff that's like viral on TikTok. Use it to clean the vents. It comes with this cute little windshield cleaner. That's another one of the sticky things I was telling you about. And then also it has these brushes for, if you want to get into the AC vents or into small little spaces like I'm showing you here. I also believe it came with, here it is. It came with a brush set of 3 for harder surfaces. This is also to clean your AC vents. So guys, between the vacuum and all of the different attachments, this was definitely worth it. I want to say it was only like 35 bucks. So I hope you guys enjoyed my June must-haves.
All right, y'all, did y'all enjoy that? Like, I love my little pink car. Like, nobody can tell me nothing. Sometimes I'm like, maybe I should tone down the pink, but then the real Cicely is like, girl, bye. Okay, like my house isn't decorated in pink, so it's all right. But my car, look, y'all, so I'm talking about my house isn't pink, but I have a pink remote control case that glows in the dark. Walmart, by the way, love it. But my car, that thing, she gonna be pink, especially since she paid off now. But all right, y'all, enough rambling. I hope you got something from the video. I hope you were able to do a little bit of shopping. Go ahead and throw it in the bag, get you some nice things for your car. I think if I had to pick a favorite from my favorites, it would probably be the little organization boxes and the label maker, because when I tell you, between the 2 of them, you can't tell me nothing. But all right, y'all, go ahead and subscribe and join the family, because if I can make it through life with my sickle cell and everything that comes with it, you can make it through whatever is thrown on your path. You can do it, and we can do it together. One video at a time, we're gonna erase the stigma surrounding sickle cell anemia. Until next time, be blessed.
So the grind don't stop, according to Sicily.